Are you looking for the best diesel motor oils? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best diesel motor oils on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Chevron Delo 400 XLE 15W40 Oil. Chevron Delo 400 oil is a premium synthetic blend designed specifically for heavy-duty diesel engines, including those that meet 2017 greenhouse gas regulations. Its advanced isosin technology ensures longer oil life and enhanced wear protection, which means you can enjoy extended engine performance. The oil is certified clean, meeting OEM cleanliness standards, helping you reduce maintenance costs and minimize downtime. With excellent control over piston deposits and turbocharger protection, this oil ensures that your engine components remain in top condition, providing peace of mind and reliability on the road. What we like: long oil life, enhanced wear protection, certified clean, excellent deposit control. Number 2. AC Delco DexosD 0W20 Oil Change Kit for Duramax Diesel LM2. The AC Delco DexosD 0W20 Oil Change Kit is the perfect choice for those who want to keep their Duramax Diesel LM2 running smoothly. This kit includes 7 quarts of synthetic oil and 1 PF66 filter. The oil exceeds ILSAC GF5/API standards for protection against deposits, wear, and low-speed pre-ignition, making it especially suitable for turbocharged engines. It also meets ILSAC GF5 and API service classification requirements, ensuring it is suitable for use in modern engines. With this kit, you can rest assured that your engine will be protected and running efficiently. What we like: exceeds ILSAC GF5/API standards for protection against deposits, wear, and low-speed pre-ignition, especially for turbocharged engines. Meets ILSAC GF5 and API service classification requirements, suitable for use in modern engines. Includes 7 quarts of synthetic oil and 1 PF66 filter, providing everything needed for an oil change. Number 3. Mobil 1 Turbo Diesel Truck Oil. Mobil 1 Diesel Truck Oil is specially formulated for modern diesel engines, offering extended drain intervals and outstanding performance. By using this oil, you can experience potential fuel savings while ensuring your engine operates smoothly. It meets or exceeds the rigorous standards set by major truck manufacturers, making it suitable for mixed fleet operations. Additionally, it is recommended for high-performance diesel applications, including low-emission engines, which helps you maintain compliance with environmental regulations. This oil also protects your engine by minimizing sludge buildup at low temperatures and deposits at high temperatures, ultimately extending the life of your vehicle. What we like: long drain intervals, enhanced engine performance, suitable for mixed fleets, reduces engine deposits. Number 4. Schaefer 9000 CK4-006S Diesel Engine Oil. The Schaefer diesel engine oil offers excellent benefits for your diesel engine. It ensures fuel efficiency while providing durability, so you can drive confidently without worrying about your engine's performance. With superior cold weather startability, you can expect reliable operation even in chilly conditions. This oil also withstands higher temperatures better than conventional oils, which means it's built to handle tough driving situations. Additionally, its Keep Clean performance helps break down soot and disperse deposits, keeping your engine cleaner and running smoother. These features make it a smart choice for any diesel engine owner. What we like: fuel efficiency, cold weather performance, high heat resistance, deposit dispersion. Number 5. Shell Rotella T6 Full Synthetic 5W40 Diesel Engine Oil. Shell Rotella Diesel Engine Oil is a full synthetic 5W40 oil that offers exceptional protection and performance for a wide range of heavy-duty engine applications. With Triple Protection Plus technology, this oil protects against wear, deposits, oil breakdown, and improves low-temperature flow. It also provides enhanced fuel economy capability of 1.5% without compromising engine protection or durability. The multifunctional dispersant additives offer an enhanced level of protection against the effects of soot, dirt, and other contaminants. Additionally, this oil has increased shear stability for better viscosity control and optimal engine oil pressure. With its better cold cranking properties and low temperature pumpability, it ensures critical engine parts are reached faster. The ergonomic design of the case makes it easy to handle and pour. Lastly, its advanced low-ash formulation helps protect the exhaust catalysts and particulate filters found in low-emission vehicles. What we like: proven performance and reliability. Works well in a variety of vehicles. Great value for money.